Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Inside this case here is so awesome. I actually got this for my kiddo. But this is the DJI NEO #1. It's small, it's handheld, it has a 4K camera up top here. Small tiny battery that gives you about 20 to 25 minutes of flight time. I remember I used to have the DJI and like the original DJI cameras and the drones, and the battery was the size of my palm. But this now is really the size of my palm. But I got the Fly More combo that gives you 2 extra batteries, the battery charger, and then it gives you the controller itself too. The controller is nice because it has the little knobs here that's underneath the controller, and you can twist it on the pad. Easy storage, very convenient. Whoops, I am about to break this drone. Don't want to do that. If you wanted to plug this in, it does take a USB-C charger in the back side here. Battery pops out just by pushing this in, and then you can twist it behind it, and then you can twist it out and replace the batteries. You have sensors on the bottom here. You don't have sensors up top. You don't have sensors on the side or the back. So you got to be very cautious of how you're flying it. I know the newer one does give you a bit more sensors and more safety capabilities. On the controller itself, it does take a USB-C as well, and you can switch to different modes on here. You can return to home, power button, you have the focus control, and you can switch the camera around, and then you have these knobs here. On the top side, you can actually pull this out, and that gives you the holder for your phone and devices, and it gives you a USB plug-in as well to plug into your phone, and you can change it to another piece. So if you have an iPhone, you can plug it into a USB-C to an iPhone, and that gives you that capability for an iPhone charger as well if you have an older one. You wrap this around and you plug that into there, and you pull this, push it in. You have the camera adjustment for the gimbal up top here. This is the phone holders itself so it doesn't wreck the phone, and you have the controller for the record button and snapping pictures up top here. In the box that when you open up your DJI, it does come with extra cables. This is the iPhone one, USB-C to a Lightning. You have extra propellers that comes with it, and you get a little small handheld screwdriver for repairing your drone. And just because this was for my kiddo, I also have some bumpers. These are little small bumpers here that you can attach to the side of your Neo. If you take it out, you can just put this right in, and you can hear just like a nice little locking there, and then you can have it on both sides. That way if you bump on stuff, it's not going to wreck the drone itself. So if you have kids or you're buying this for your kids for their first starter drone, this would be a highly recommended product. I'll leave the description down below where you can find one. It wasn't very expensive either, but I would recommend it if you have kids that you're buying this for. But in the box that you open up your Neo, you get the DJI sticker with some booklets, some manuals, so that way you can read, if you want to, about what's inside the drone and what's about the drone. Oh, and make sure when you are flying the drone to take this cover off. On the bottom here, there'll be a really serrated textured finish, and you can actually push that together by taking the lens off, and then you have the camera gimbal right here. You don't want to have this on because then the camera is not going to really adjust to what's seeing through there well. Make sure to take this off. But if you want to put it back on, make sure to have the top one on first, and then push the bottom one in, and then after that it locks into place. The case did not come with the box as well, so you have to get that separately, but I know that when having kids and when you're buying this for your kids, a case is highly recommended so they don't break the drone It wasn't too expensive. It was, you know, under 400 bucks for this whole entire thing. So that way, if you need to get one for your kids, you can definitely do that as well. But that's it, guys. I wanted to show you this drone, and what we're gonna do in the next video is fly it around, show you how to use it, and see what the camera quality is like on this drone. But until next time, guys, if you have any questions, leave it down below in the comment box. If you have any concerns, you know, I can definitely try to provide some feedback. I just got this, so I don't know what feedback I can provide for you. But until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.